Hello prolog bro, baik kibun kijing keli bangan sasol. Te yang mentap pada dengan le so kini kiba adang sudah to exam kane. Baik kene jongka Eastern West kane kane kibun ha. Te kindon jiki science English prokoi dengan sale le so ko koi te yang mentah God. So, baik kawan kong, the total number of national park in Meghalaya is grade artili, kadang artili, balpakram berka, no correct. Tapi kini kijing kali kin hirap fi ba nam taka exam LDA po Mpsc lene exam po Eastern West lene exam po Jainti Helro kinwan ki jingkali mah kam tam gini jike. Te kindan ki science ki iru shibut ngasal le hi. Which state has become fully literate state in India, the Mizoram? Which ministry introduced ARPAR ID system in the Ministry of Education? Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Land of five rivers, kata Punjab. The Kedun River ayu dan Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj and Ravi. Tenevasan, which is the shortest highway in India? Shortest highway, kata NH 548. Who wrote the book Turning Point, A Journey Challenges? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Indian male cricketer got Padma Shri Award? Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma iyo ka arprai tri uchun acara pendreo di nong lekai cricket mo kapten juga India muswa. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Kan ni kejengkeli ke bahasa Iwan man ke exam. The Pacific Ocean. Which is the highest peak of Meghalaya? Kan itu Basukha, Shillong Peak. In which year was the Indian Constitution was adopted? Kan itu 1950. Saya kena nomor way, which of the following scientists born on PID? Dia kena di Albert Einstein, malak hai u kat tau teri umaj, kat praspa nyup kundai 1879. Which state is the oldest produced oil of oil in India? This is Assam, Dit Boy. Which river is longest in Meghalaya? Simsang River. Kani yang saya ahi po ang ada ahi tu jiki baron lais pa tali jiki Meghalaya. Dia kitu kibala sim PDF. Subscribe ban yo PDF ru kila ada ahi. Kila don nang tu. Dia kini kijing geli kini harap hai pi nam taka LDA exam KSA po Eastern West kasel kitu ki po jan chahel ru kitu ki jingkeli tak grade 4 mah. Tekin sadon hikum kini kita geli. Golden Temple Amritsar in India. Kede the largest gurdwara. Namal ka oldest gurdwara kede ka gurdwara Gaighat. Ini which village in Meghalaya refer as Nano village. This is Shangpung village. Na village po Shangpung gibun maki Nano takada song sinong Nano. Duran Cup is associated with which game? Kene pada football. Baik ke Duran Cup rumah. Mano bisa job nang job North East United. Kena nilai ni sulong ru. Which country won the ICC Champion Trophy in 2025? Kede India. When was GST implemented? Kani jingsha ka implement hau strike July aja khanyo to maki option hangne kim dan pi. Kani kini yo mak bai sisim RR mak bai. Kini yo bai ka mak. Which plant is known as herbal Indian doctor? Dede amla somaleng. India ranked in world economy as of January 2006 is rank number 6. Which Indian woman was the first to become the president of India? Pratibha Patil. Kini ki exam gede barang sudah men last Saturday. The headquarter of UNESCO is at Paris, France. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. Kan ini lebih suan baik. First Battle of Panipat was fought in 1526. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Ini day. Ini day Karnam Maleswari. Ijab haka Sydney Olympic Ajar. Senam Ajar. Which is the longest railway platform in India? This is Hubballi ke Danumpo State Karnataka. Kamde ka Surok Rermo kade ka tuk platform kutu ka station rail pejorong tam kutu platform. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? De Parambi Chakra. Highest gallantry mo de highest award kade highest gallantry. Which Indian state will host the 39 national game in 2027? The Meghalaya. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution? The Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Quadratic formula also known as Siddharacharya formula. Which Christian denomination was the first introduced formal education in Meghalaya? The Presbyterian. Melawan ningkong Thomas John mo penahi dakto dakadau. Which Indian leader is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who invented telephone? Ani kan ini the Alexander Graham Bell. Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? Gini giwan GK Meghalaya mo ni Raj Kumar Nehru. Ya mentah kan sajrong pelat ke video ngan les tang ini ini science kimban segi to English to sadan science to English itu kan sadan segi ini aptitude test yang sepele saya mah boleh share subscribe lah.